Okay, it looks like my phone ran out of memory, so I had to upload it and then start again. So, back to condensation. We'll get through all these, we'll go a little bit quicker. Condensation, if you increase the energy of a gas, so I'm starting here in gas, and I increase that energy, I'm going this way. Condensation normally wants to go from a gas to a liquid. That's what we call condensation. It goes from a gas to a liquid. So if I increase the energy, I'm going to the right. I'm going against this arrow, so I'm actually decreasing the rate of condensation. If I decrease the energy of a gas, I increase the rate of condensation. Now that makes sense again, so if I decrease my energy, I'm going the same direction as condensation is, so decreasing a gas's energy, it goes into a liquid, it condenses into a liquid, I increase that condensation. Freezing, you should be able to think about it in two ways. If I increase the energy of a liquid, I will decrease the rate of freezing. Again, freezing is the process of going from a liquid to a solid. And so if I increase the energy, I want to go to the right. So I increase the energy in a liquid, I'm going to decrease the rate of liquid. So if I increase the energy, I'm going this way. I'm going against my freezing arrow, which means that my freezing is going slower. If I'm boiling water, I'm not going to freeze it very well. Okay, I'm going against the rate, so I'm lowering the rate of freezing. If I decrease the energy of a liquid, it means I'm going to increase the rate of freezing. So let's talk about that one. So if I decrease the energy, so I'm going this way of a liquid, I'm decreasing the energy. That means I'm going with this freezing arrow, I'm increasing the rate. So it's going to freeze faster. So the more energy I pull from a liquid, the faster it's going to become a solid. Melting. Two ways to think about this. If I increase the energy of a solid, I'm going to increase the rate of melting. And so if I increase the energy, so I start here with an ice cube and I put energy into it, I'm increasing the rate of a solid. So I am going with this direction of melting. Melting is going from a solid to liquid. If I add energy to an ice cube, I'm going to melt it. So if the ice cube absorbs energy, meaning it's getting more energy, it's going to become a liquid. It's going to melt. If I decrease the energy of a solid, I'm going to decrease the rate of melting. So again, if I decrease that, so if I start here at solid, and I'm decreasing, I'm making it colder, I'm going against my melting arrow. If I put a solid in a really, really cold refrigerator, it's never going to melt. Okay, I'm going against it. I'm decreasing its rate of melting.